Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. We have a new box to the channel today and it's the Passionistas project pack. So let's get in here and see what this is all about. The Passionista project pack is a woman-owned, woman-made box. And I got on to find out information. They reached out, this was sent to me for review, and they asked if I would like to receive it to show you guys, to be able to offer you guys a discount. And I said yes, because I went to their website to look them up and expected to see just information on a box. And most of the information on their website is not to do with their box. They have been around for quite some time, and the box is relatively new compared to how long they have been on the web and doing podcasts and that kind of thing. When I went out to their website to check them out, let me just hit briefly on them. I found that since 2010, they have been the pop culture passionistas. They have a career based in their love of pop culture. Their positive and inspirational entertainment content, including interviews, articles, and trivia challenges, has been syndicated to Yahoo, OMG, Examiner, Screen Picks, it goes on and on. I didn't realize that this was a whole women's empowerment organization, that they do so many things to empower women. The interviews they do are really, you've got to go over, even if you decide maybe the box isn't for you, you've got to go over and check out their website. Their mission is to inspire women of all ages to pursue their dreams, overcome obstacles, and take charge of their own destinies. Let's go ahead and get in here. The box is $59.99. If you pay for it as it comes out quarterly, so you would get 4 a year. You can pay for a year in advance, and that will bring it down to $54.99. And with KM15 below, you will get 15% off your first box. Look how pretty the inside is already. This is new to me, so I cannot wait to see what they have. When we open it up, we have a lot of paperwork. And then, oh, it's one of the ones that's individually wrapped. That is always so much fun because it's just like unwrapping gifts. We have all of this paperwork. Let's see what it's about. This one is, I'm a Passionista, and it says get involved with the Passionista community. They have a really, really big community. I think a lot of it is on Facebook, but they're also on Twitter and Insta. They talk about joining the Passionistas Project Facebook group and become a part of their community. They are just such a huge group. Like I said, when I went over and saw the website, I was absolutely amazed. 20 ways to unwind this summer. Play with your pet or take your fur buddy for a morning walk each day. Find the perfect spot to take in the sunset and enjoy a quiet moment by yourself or with someone you love. So that's fun. And apparently I have received the Summer Passionistas Project pack, and that is available now. And then I think the rest of these, yes, I'm gonna quit reading because I think the rest of these cards, there's so much information on here, but I think it's about our products. So this is so fun. I love a new box. So right on top, we have a bonus gift. And when you order your first Passionistas Project pack, that's gonna catch me sooner or later, I'm gonna say that wrong, you get this bracelet. And the first charm in it says Passionistas. I hope that shows well. I hope I got that in there. And it's like an Alex and Ani. I have several of those, so I'll just say that. And you're gonna get charms in your boxes. And with your first box, you get this charm bracelet, so you can just start putting your charms on it. That's kind of fun, right? Next up, I have a little yellow one. Oh, it's perfect. I think, and this was absolutely an accident, I think I might have managed to pull out this month's charm as if on cue. This says Sand Bucket and Shovel Charm. It comes wrapped up in this. Let's take it out. It's so cute. How fun is this? Oh my goodness, guys, this is so stinking cute. The sandbox, I hope I can do this justice. The sandbox and the shovel, can you see the shovel is like separate? It is so cute. Oh my goodness. This says, when you can't make it to the beach, relive the memories of past days in the sea with this antique silver tone 3D sand bucket and shovel charm. How stinking cute is that? That is a really fun place for me to start this bracelet. And it has a lobster claw clasp on it, so it is super easy to put on your bracelet. I'm not sure, the Alex and Ani ones are always in here, but I kind of like the idea of filling up the outside and having it. That is so cute. So cute. We have a whole page telling us about this, and it says, I'm an Etsy passionista. Loretta Mazzo started Loretta's Beads on a folding table in her home. Her hope was to make a little money so she could be a stay-at-home mom. She was cleaning house at the time. Her company has done very well, and she's blessed to have some great ladies who help her out. And then there's a little interview with her. So she is, in theory, the one that designed this. How fun is that? I like having this information, so I think that's awesome. Next out, lots of little goodies. Wow, look at those earrings. It's like they're individually, they're individually strung. It's kind of like embroidery. I think it's embroidery thread. Let's see what this is. These are Bohemian triangle winding earrings by Blushing Owl Company. Spruce up for a summer date night with these custom designed and handcrafted lightweight statement earrings. They are very lightweight. They feel fantastic. These are by the Blushing Owl Company, and again, that is what they look like. And then there's also a whole card interview with the woman who made these. I love the empowerment in this box of reaching out to these smaller women-owned companies. Next out. What are you guys thinking? I'm thinking this is super cute so far. I have absolutely no idea what these are, but they say seed bombs. So I have a butterfly, a multicolored butterfly, and then this one looks like a bumblebee. These are bee and butterfly shaped seed bombs by Sunshine and Bloom. Just plant these adorable paper shapes in soil and watch the wildflowers grow in time to relax in the garden on a warm summer day. And then for each, let me just show you, for each of the products, there's an interview with the person whose company it is who designed it. These are really cute. It says to plant, choose a location with good soil and lots of sunshine. These are stinking adorable. My girls are gonna watch seeing what comes out of these. Okay, next out, we have a bigger one. It's kind of heavy too, so I'm intrigued. And then bubble wrap. So these are all so well wrapped, and they're like little gifts. All right, we have something by Cece made, and it says Sel Grise. So I'm wondering if it's something to do with salt. It's 4 ounces. Sel Grise caramel sauce. Ingredients: cream, pure cane sugar, tapioca syrup, and gray sea salt. Refrigerate after opening. And it says, put an adult spin on a childhood favorite while you make the perfect ice cream sundae topped with Sel Grise caramel sauce by Cece Made. The traditional caramel treats get a makeover with the addition of fine sea salt. Well, that sounds delicious. You guys know I do all of my food openings downstairs, so when I open this, we will give it a taste. I cannot wait. Separation is natural because we use no preservatives. Just stir and enjoy. I love a snacky treat. Next, we have a thin one. Intriguing. It's kind of like Christmas. Bath salts, maybe? More seeds, maybe? Not sure. Okay, there is no way we could have guessed this. Absolutely no way we could have guessed this. This will be well loved in my house. Icebox dill pickle mix. Who had dill pickle mix on the bingo card? I don't think any of us did. That is so cool. It says in a quart jar, mix 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and stir in the bag contents. Add sliced pickle cukes or cucumbers. Fill up to the top of the jar. Put the lid on tight. Shake the mix. Leave in the refrigerator for 24 to 48 hours. I can't wait to try this. My husband and I love pickles, and back in my ute. Way back in my youth. When we did a garden once, we got the most, we had so many pickling cukes, and I was canning. Yes. She used to have energy. She used to do things like can. I can't wait to try these. That sounds amazing. SNS Dips. Let's find their information. Impress all your friends. Oh, that's what I intend to do at the next backyard barbecue when they taste these homemade icebox dill pickles that you will easily whip up from scratch with this delicious and convenient SNS Dips mix. So what are you guys thinking? I'm thinking this is so unique. You know, a lot of people have been talking about they want a box to replace Alltrue with because, you know, Alltrue did things that were supposedly inspiring women and that kind of thing, and not to belabor the Alltrue thing at all, but I'm just saying these are small companies, women-owned, women-inspired. This is a great place to maybe redirect that Alltrue energy. Wait, this is a big one, well-wrapped. What is it? What is it? Oh, I think it's a candle. Kingston 2 Trella WNY All Natural Wax Blend, Santal and Coconut. Oh my goodness. That is what that looks like. So it's just like a mason jar. Santal and coconut. 2 scents I love. Oh my goodness. This smells so good. Oh, and it's got one of the wide wicks. I love those. This smells gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. You guys know I love candles. All right, let's find the information on this. Trella WNY. Let me show you this in case there's a way to say that I'm absolutely missing, but that is what it looks like in case you have any interest in checking them out. The tropical and beachy vibes of this candle are so intoxicating, you'll be checking your calendar for the next time you can book a vacation. Light it up and it will take you to the perfect getaway spot. This smells fantastic. I can't wait to. That's going downstairs. That has a cross between like a kitcheny vibe because of the coconut, but with the santal in it, it's a little sexy, so I'll be enjoying that. Ooh, something in just, is it a note? We have a note. The Cabbie Fall Fashion Preview with Cabbie stylist Deborah Schneider. Meet on Zoom, 8 p.m. Eastern, Thursday, August 25th. Take the stress out of your end of summer shopping when you join Deborah Snyder for the Cabbie Fall Fashion Preview. At Cabbie, clothes are so much more than fabric and thread. Behind each piece of Cabbie clothing, you'll have your own personal stylist to serve your needs. This is really interesting. So this is what we receive. That is really interesting. It says, learn how the Cabbie, and I'm saying Cabbie, C-A-B-I, how the Cabbie app can become your wardrobe's new BFF. This is all very interesting. I can't wait to go and check her out. All right, we have 2 left. Ooh, a bag. Bags are always fun. So we have a canvas bag and it says Kingston 2. We got something else from Kingston 2. It was the candle. Oh, matches to go with our candle. How stinking cute is that? It's like a corked bottle with some matches in it. I love that. That would be so cute together. Oh my goodness. And last, we have, looks like it may be a bucket hat. It is a bucket hat, and I was going to say I couldn't find anything that talked about the bucket hat, but when I go back to the people that did the charm for our charm bracelet, it's on that page, and this is a Hawaiian floral bucket hat by Simmons Accessories. Wear this cute Hawaiian floral bucket hat to the beach, a luau, or out and about anywhere this summer. Simmons is the founder of Simmons Accessories. She has been providing quality hats and accessories since 1994. Well, I don't know who Jean is, but it's a cute hat. It is very lightweight, which could be kind of nice in the summer. Let's see if it fits my head. If you were here for another box I did, you know. This one fits too. Maybe my head is shrinking in my old age because hats seem to be fitting me now. Is it cute? Is it adorable with a pair of black shades? I could be keeping the rain off my head, that is for sure. All right, so that is what we got in this first to the channel Passionistas project pack. It was so cute. You guys will have to let me know what you think below. I love all of the women empowerment. It's women-owned companies and small companies. We got the hat and this caramel sauce, the candle and the matches. Oh, this is gonna get heavy quickly. Let me readjust. There's the card on the Zoom fashion show to check in and see what that's all about. I have no idea. We'll have to check that out. Icebox pickles. Yeah, I'll be making those for sure. Seed bombs to plant seeds in our garden. So cute. How much fun will that be in the summer if you have short hair or like me, long hair with my hair pulled up and just all in black and just having this be my pop? I really like the idea of that. And we started our charm bracelet. So with your first box, you'll get the Passionista charm bracelet. And my first charm is this sand bucket and shovel, which is so stinking cute. Would you guys like me to put that on? I can give you an idea of the size. I am pretty average. I like if bracelets come in like 7.5 to 8, I just always buy the average size. Yeah, this goes on easy peasy. Plenty of room with no effort. I could put it on and it's just so cute. So see, if you put this here where the Passionista thing is, it will stay in place for you and not run around to the back. I kind of like them freewheeling when I mean, it's not great for taping because the sound, but in my life, I think it's so cute. And then it just slides off easy peasy. And the beauty with the sizing is because of this, it has give. So it's easy on, easy off. So we have that in our box also. So this is my first Passionistas project pack box. Let me know what you guys think. I want to thank Passionista for sending this over. I love what they are doing. Like I said, even if this is something that you don't know if it's right for you, be sure and go over. I will put the link below. Go over, check out the website. They do so much. And I will put my code below. It is KM15. It will give you 15% off your first box. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more boxes coming. We're doing some new boxes. Have you noticed? Thanks again for coming by, guys. Bye.